Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the fastest Royal Enfield ever. So make sure to watch the full video. Is this the fastest Royal Enfield ever? That remains to be seen. The bike's on its way to getting proven, but it doesn't look like anyone else is coming close for now. Royal Enfield bikes aren't particularly fast right out of the factory. With just 47 horses out of its largest and most powerful production motor, the 650 twins, it's more style statement than an outright performance machine. That hasn't stopped a bunch of riders from modifying and even racing their RE bikes, however. Take the Royal Enfield Continental GT Cup. The event has riders taking their bikes to the racetrack and setting lap times on their retro racers. However, a track build this bike is not. Revelry's RevElevation Continental GT is set to be, and perhaps already is, the fastest Royal Enfield motorcycle in existence. Revelry Racing is the brand that's behind this build, and it was started by Santina and Will Keith as the motorsports division of Revelry Cycles, a dealership brand based in Australia. The pair came from the United States, but they've been living in Australia for 18 years after first buying into a Harley-Davidson dealership. Now, they've recently set up a Royal Enfield dealership and more recently built this bike. The 648cc, 270-degree twin-cylinder engine is just okay in terms of power output. But to break records and be the fastest RE in existence, the team had to make a few modifications, and by few, I mean a lot. The engine received a big bore kit from S&S, which brought the displacement up to 865 cc. Then a stroker kit was added to bring that figure up to 965 cc. The stroker kit was custom made by Revelry Racing, and it included a stroker crankshaft and appropriately sized connecting rods. Following that, a custom exhaust was fabricated by the Revelry team, and the motorcycle was fitted with a 40mm throttle body, CNC milled big valve cylinder head, and S&S ECU, Daytona Twin Tech wideband system, Recluse clutch, RCE fuel cell, K&N air filters, Ipone oil, Venhill feather-like clutch cable, and to top it all off, a Nitrous Express dry nitrous system. It's not even limited to just drag racing events. The team can also convert it to a land speed bike. A different set of gear ratios are used for drag and for land speed, as well as tires, bodywork, and wheelie bars, among a bunch of other changes. For now, the bike remains unproven in the land speed arena. On the drag strip, it's said that it can run a 10-second quarter mile. To claim the title for the world's fastest Royal Enfield, Revelry and its RevElevation Royal Enfield will head to the Bonneville Salt Flats in Utah in 2023 to field its project and to make its title official. What do you think about this Royal Enfield? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.